Hi, I'm Jim Hoyme. I'm one of the owners of Therapy Partners, and you're here today to see how Therapy Partners can help you in your practice. And I'm excited to tell you about that because I think we've got some good information to share with you, and we've got some good things that we can really help you with. But before we start, I want to just say a little bit about an MSO. We're a management services organization. We are transforming the value that independent therapy practices are delivering to the marketplace and how they're rewarded for that value. It's working for our practices here in Minnesota. Wisconsin, it can work for you. Okay? An MSO provides a number of tactical services for you so you can get some of that stuff off your plate so you can really focus on growing your practice, improving your services, building stronger relations in your communities, and just becoming a stronger independent practice. Three main things. Number one, we provide billing, AR management, and payment processing for you. We take what's getting to be an ever-increasing, ever more complicated process and simplifying it for you. Number two, we negotiate contracts with the health plans, risk sharing, value-based models, better payment methodologies for you that you can probably get on your own. And then thirdly, we provide a number of administrative services, some of them more tactical in nature, credentialing, compliance, training on coding and reimbursement, all the way to more strategic things like marketing. How do we drive more patients in your door? So let's take a quick step back and let's talk a little bit about the billing, AR management, payment processing. We've got a great partner. We do a great job in getting the bills out, getting the payments in the door for you in an efficient way, and taking that off your overflowing plate and your busy days. It's efficient and it gets the money in the door for you. Secondly, health plan, ACO contracting, delivering value to what I call the powerful decision makers out there. These are the people you've got to connect with because guess what? They control the money. They control how patients are going to get to you and how you're going to be paid for them. We've got good relationships with the health plans in our market, and we know how to create good relationships with health plans in other markets. And we're starting to even create some really close collaborative relationships with the accountable care organizations, and some of whom have their own physical therapy, but they're looking for us to fill in and provide more value for them in rehab services. And then thirdly, our administrative services that we offer, again, some tactical, coding, training, credentialing, compliance is stuff you've got to do, but it's really not that much fun and takes time out of your day, doesn't drive patients in the door. But let's focus a little bit on marketing. We're all interested in bringing more patients in the door for us, getting more patients to choose us. And let's face it, we all struggle. We as physical therapists struggle with what's the best way to market. We have a very defined process on digital media marketing, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, blogging, and you know what? It's working. OSI Physical Therapy, one of the great practices and Therapy Partners here in Minnesota, they've driven 239 new patients through their door in 2014, purely through the efforts of social media marketing, and we can help you with that. So let's sum this up. What can we really do for you and your practice? Okay, 5 main benefits. 1, operational efficiencies will help decrease your costs through centralizing services. 2, better reimbursement, better financial performance. It's going to give you financial strength. Number 3, collaboration with some really great practices. Experienced, talented, innovative practice owners, all the way from new practice owners to very experienced practices and their teams. We're going to bring you strength in the marketplace. We'll give you strength of size to help in contracting, to help in efficiencies, and guess what? Number 5, you get to keep your practice. You can get big, you can get strength in the market without having to sell your practice like a lot of your colleagues are doing around the country. So we're glad to talk to you. Give me a call, shoot me an email, I'll get back to you, and we'll talk about how we can help your practice with Therapy Partners.